As an example of technical expertise, we took over a mold for one of our early medical customers. The product was already molded, it was already tooled up for a mold, and they were having trouble with it where they were at. They moved the tool to us. With collaboration with them, we made some changes to how the tool sealed off. There were internal pins that sealed off on each other. We made some recommendations to make some changes to that because they kept breaking the pins off. Well, the part had to have a through hole through it, and when the pin sealed off, it broke. And after lots of trials and tribulations, we managed to solve that problem for them. We have expertise in tool construction, tool maintenance, and processing so that we knew how much pressure we could put on that pin, so we knew how long the other pin would hold up to that pressure, and we made small adjustments to that until we got a sweet spot so that it wouldn't continue to break. If you're looking for a new medical molder, you should be looking for somebody that's got the horsepower and the facilities that can make the products that you're looking for.